everyone, it's Tammy, and it is time to do my plan with me in my personal planner. This is the one that I use for my YouTube and for Stampin' Up. So I'm going to use this cute little, it's Valentine's week that we're planning, tasseled planner kit. And it looks like Valentine's to me, so that's what we're going to use. So let me turn to this week, and the week of the 12th through the 18th is what we will be planning. I'm going to put that up here. And there we go. So this one came with washi, so I don't need to add any. But I will just use this washi right down the middle. So if you guys have seen me do this planner, you know how I do it. But if not, welcome, and I appreciate that you're here either way. But if you haven't seen me plan, I just use this just for, like I said, YouTube and Stampin' Up. So I don't put a ton of things in here. I don't put a lot of functional stickers, maybe not any functional, maybe I'll say not many, because I don't want to say I don't use any, because I may use some. But I also like to put just a few things every day that I need to work on. And these are really cute, so I'm going to use these here. And before I get too far ahead, I'm going to put the date in here so I won't forget. So this is the 12th. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do these, so I'll have them done. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And by the end of this week, half of the month is over. Crazy. So I hope that everyone has had a great week so far. Today is Saturday that I'm planning, and it's Sunday that you're seeing it. And I know that they got a lot of snow up north, so I hope that you all are doing okay. And I hope that we don't get it down here. We haven't yet. Well, I say that, and it's early, and I haven't looked outside, but no, we don't have any. I didn't think that we did, but I wasn't positive. I went to sleep really early last night. I have just been tired. I guess since it was my first day back to work from my surgery, I have been tired, and I don't even know what time I went to sleep. It must have been, I can't even guess. It must have been 8:30. So then, of course, I wake up at 3:30. Oh, I don't need to put it in this one. I'll put it in this one because that one's a notes section. And I'm going to put to do today. I'm just going to go back and forth. These are really cute. I like how these are turning out in my planner. Okay, I don't want that to like stick over the edge, so I'm just going to move it over a little. There's a couple sticker sets that are super easy to use in my planner, and this one seems to be one of them. I am liking it. Like the way that I use my planner. This is great. And I need one more today. And then these say this week to clean, next week and to buy. And I'm going to use the this week one on this one. And then I'm going to take these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. And put them right here. I'm really liking how this kit is turning out in here, so I'm gonna have to cut out her name and put it on my planner so I won't forget who it was. Oops. This is super cute. And I don't even have the cute decorative stickers on here yet. And I don't know why I can't put these on straight. So I want to put one of these cutesy stickers. I want to use this one first, up here in the notes section. Like that. And this one says, "You had me at hello." I guess this is the only problem that I'm running into that isn't really a problem, but let me just put this here, and then I'll put this here. And then oh, okay, they're different, so I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Or maybe I won't, because I put this here, didn't I? We'll see. That's okay. My planner sticker, I will put that on Thursday. Don't know if I'll do it on Thursday. This is a weekend sticker. I'll try to stick that down here. I think I'm going to take this one and put it up here. And I think I'm going to take this and cut out her name so that I can hopefully put this on my planner and remember who in the world I purchased this from, because I like this kit a lot. And it would be nice to be able to go back and purchase more like it. If I can get the backing off. There we go. Just put it right there. Okay, so let me look at this. That's actually great. I love it. And I'm just looking at the functionals. Since I don't use functionals in this one, it's not that important to me. And then these are just going to be extras this week because I used the decorative ones. These are really cute, but I don't really need them in here, so I don't know that I'm going to necessarily use them. could put them in these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess I will just because I have them, but I don't need them at all. But they're cute. I'm going to put this one in the Valentine's Day one. All right, so I will save these for somebody else who can use them. And then, so let's see, what do I need to work on this month? I need to do, or this week, comments. I need to do a love craft or card or whatever. I need to do some thank yous. I'd like to still do a Dollar Tree one. I haven't done that yet. Okay, so I'm gonna put in here that I need to do comments. I'm gonna write that on every day. I really do try to keep up with them. And then I need to plan a live video. And this day I'm going to visit my daughter, so it's kind of a not able to do a lot that day. And Wednesday is Valentine's Day. So Tuesday, let's see, I need to work on my Stampin' Up. I'm going to put thank yous. And welcome to my new team members. And then Thursday, I need to do my plan with me. And Friday, maybe Saturday I can do my live at like noon or something maybe. I don't know. I'm just talking right now, so this is just an idea. And I have an idea for a live that I got from my friend who got from another YouTuber, so I think that I might do that. I don't know. I need to, you know what I need to do? I need to look at my 2018 video and make sure I'm delivering what I said I would. And I need to work on Stampin' Up cards. I need to work on my love project. So this love project is going to post the 24th of February, and everyone is invited. We're just all titling our videos the same so that we can look at them each month. And I will have a video up describing what to name it and all of that. And all you have to do is make something with the theme of love. It doesn't have to be anything specific. You don't have to use any specific tools. There's nothing required. Anybody can join. It's just a lot of fun to see everybody else's project, and it's neat to kind of get new subscribers and new viewers through your channel by doing that. So I have not filmed it yet, but I am going to be filming a separate video stating all of that, and hopefully that will post today, which is Saturday, because I really need to get that out so that everyone will know what to do and how to do it. And it's fun. And we started it last month, and we did a few people joined, and that was fun. So we're just hoping to, grow that and have it. We're going to do it monthly, and it's just a lot of fun. So be looking for that. And if you haven't seen it, please look for it, and you'll know all the details. And there we go. That is my week. And it might even change my... Oh, I don't know if I'll change my moose yet, but I will soon. I like him. So that's that. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.